It's new tool day, my dudes.
It's up from Lowe's, obviously, and it is a socket set. It only cost me about, I don't know, it was like 50 bucks, so not too bad. And it's your basic socket set. But the reason I bought that is it has kind of a unique ratchet. And if you look at it, you'll see why. It does all three of your standard sizes of ratchet. So, just as a basic hand tool, something I could throw in there, I can grab this one wrench, and then no matter which kind of socket I buy or grab out of here, I can fit on one wrench instead of having three different ones. So I thought that was a really cool idea, and I'm like, why hasn't someone thought of that before? Maybe they did, I just didn't know about it. But then this set also comes with, these look like nice sockets. I mean, they're not impact sockets, but nice and big marked. And I think this set will be enough to get me started for most things. Something kind of weird I noticed about this, they have the logo etched in here, but then the size is not. This seems to be like a laser engraved, whereas this is like mechanically etched, as is the part number, but then the size, which I would argue is the most important thing, is not. So I don't know why they would manufacture two different ways on this one socket to have both etched and what I think is laser. Why not just etch the whole thing? It's going to last a lot longer. It's going to be easier to read. You could kind of, I don't know if you got good, you could feel it, but this you can't. So why did you do that, Kobalt? Why not just do this? Anyways, and these are color coded between what they call standard and metric, so blue and red. So that's kind of cool. So there's a red one. And then they're all labeled in here, and it makes it real easy to tell if you're missing something. I don't know. One of the pet peeves is people that just throw tools and sockets all in one big drawer. Like, how are you ever going to find anything? A little bit of organization, a little bit of conscientiousness goes a long way, and getting your work done more efficiently. Anyways, I just wanted to showcase this set I picked up. It's a small set. I think this might go in the car, and I might get rid of that 1/4-inch set I bought, because this is pretty. That's pretty small. You could throw that in the trunk. I can take out the other set I got in here and put this one in, because there's a lot more function out of this. It's even got the screwdriver in here, so I could replace two tools with this one little box. And like I said, I don't have to have 3 wrenches. So, cool design.